I've done this take 100 times. Run it up, big man, run it up! I'm perfectly happy.
This time, we're in Athens, Greece.
And you will get a view like no other. This is one of my favorite movies. Here we are. Shaq's natural habitat.
Alright guys, via Attenborough, David Attenborough's long-lost Asian son here, reporting for 3 Man Abroad here in London. Going to show you some of the best scenic views scenic views here in London. But before we get into that, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification. You know what to do. I don't need to say it no more. Let's just jump right in to our very first location, Richmond Park. Guys, we're here at our very first location, Richmond Park in, well, you've guessed it, Richmond. And the nearest station to get here is, again, you've guessed it, Richmond Station, all right? Now, Shaq would always say to escape the great hustle and bustle that is London.
And in the hustle and bustle, you're not used to relaxing. Get away from the hustle and bustle.
Richmond provides an amazing, amazing escape from that. It's covering 2,500 acres and one of 8 royal parks here in London. Come check out the views. The wildlife is next to none and is something completely different to what you would get in traditional London.
Right everyone, here we are at our next spot at Primrose Hill. Now, here to drop a couple of facts for you guys. First things first, the closest station is Chalk Farm, which is about a 14-minute walk from here. And number 2, Primrose Hill was rated #1 on Secret London for top scenic views in London. Last thing, I just wanted to tell you guys how I feel about this place. I personally love Primrose Hill, one of my favorite spots. If you want to catch views, or if you want to chill, whether it's daytime, nighttime, the views are always spectacular. Check it out. So people, here we are at our next spot in Parliament Hill Viewpoint. Now, the most known thing that people come here for is for the view behind me. You get the whole city skyline from here, and this is just a great place to go for a run, have a picnic, chill out, and catch some views. You guys enjoy it.
All right guys, our next stop on our scenic view tour of London is Greenwich Park. So our nearest station from here is Cutty Sark for Greenwich Maritime Museum, and right behind me is also another great view, Cutty Sark, a 19th century ship restored to absolute beauty. So come check it out. Alright guys, so to finish off our scenic views of London, we're here in North London, Alexandra Palace, or cutely known as Ali Pali. So the nearest stations to get here is Alexandra Palace if you're taking the National Rail, or Wood Green if you're taking the Underground station. And to be honest, if you want to finish with a great sunset view, this is the place to be. So typically, Alexandra Palace is known as an event space, but a nice little gem to Alexandra Palace is the great central London view. So don't miss this out, check it out.
Right everyone, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so you guys know when the next video uploads. Thank you all for watching. 3 Man Abroad out, and peace.